Yes, good morning.
I hope all of you had a good weekend.
Yes.
Yes.
Dashera and all. Nice. Festive seasons are almost done, right?
Yeah.
So can anyone tell me what is the architecture of SQL? What is the architecture of SQL? Can anyone tell me? Oh, no one remembers? I guess I told that this was an important question, and many developers also don't remember this. It's a client-server architecture, right? We have a client. Client is sending a request to the server. Server is receiving the request, it's processing the request, and it is responding to that request once again back to the client.
Yes.
Can someone tell me what is render time?
The time from the point the request has been sent and received from the server.
Received from the server?
The time the request is sent and then received from the server.
No.
The
Received
request
by
is
the
sent.
server.
Request is sent and
Received
received by
from
the
the
server.
Yeah.
Received by the
by
server
the
or
server.
the time that is sent by the client to the server.
To
Either
the
by,
server.
because from changes the complete meaning.
Mm.
From means it is going there, it's coming back. The total time. Okay. Okay. Can someone tell me what is the importance of data type?
Defining data type means we are letting the client know what are we using, either integer or date or
What
character.
is the purpose of it?
While creating the database, we need to select what type of data type we have to select, like integer, decimal, depends on the data or currency
While creating database,
or giving a command.
is it when we create a database? While creating a table.
Table.
Right,
Yes,
Yeah.
creating a
yes.
Table,
table.
table.
While creating a table.
Small things, major blunders. And this happens during the time of interview as well. When you don't use the right terminology, the meaning of the thing completely changes. Even if you know the answer, then also the recruiter will say, not recruiter, it is incorrect. It is not database, it is table. So while creating table, we create data type. But what is the purpose of it? Why do we have to even create a data type?
To allocate memory.
Allocate memory. Okay. So suppose, for example, within the data, within the field also, if the memory had been allocated, it would have been great. Why Microsoft brought in the concept of data type?
To save the space.
Save space? No. There you go. Anyone else? These would be easy questions. Absolutely easy questions. We do that so that we can maintain the consistency of the data. I told, right? Each field is very important and same type of informations are required to be captured within those fields. So if I am capturing a different information, means I can capture any information in any field or any type of information in any field, that would be incorrect. If my salary somewhere is 100, somewhere it is like 100.01, then it is affecting the quality of the data. That's the reason it's very important that I allocate a specific type of data within that field so that there is no inconsistency in my data. My data quality is improved. Understood? Sukanya, can you tell me what's the difference between char and varchar?
Okay. In varchar, in char we have to give limited only. If, for example, 10 means we have to give 10 letters. But in varchar, we can type up to within 10. So that we have to save the space in varchar. But in char, there is a loss of space memory.
I've understood I have understood what you are trying to say, but your recruiter won't understand. Because what you have told has got no meaning. Once you will check the recording, you will understand that how you are telling. You started char and varchar means limited only, and then you changed your sentence. Example 10 means 10. To be honest, there is no meaning to this answer. Though I know the answer, that's the reason I'm able to understand what you are trying to say, but you are not able to explain. So try once again. Break down. Do not break down into small pieces. What is char and varchar? You need to first say that what is the usage of it, and then you need to say the difference between them with an example.
Okay.
Proper solid example. 10 example 10 is what is 10? 10 is nothing. So no one will understand what you're talking about 10. So start once again. This time in a better way.
Char means we have to give we have to give an alphabetical way. We have to type alphabetical A to Z like that. In
Alphabetical way. What is alphabetical way to Z?
string type.
What? Give a sentence. I'm unable. You're giving me words.
Okay.
Don't panic. Just relax. These are important. This happens during interview. So I will be making you to go through this phase of viva and questions almost every day, so that your confidence level develops slowly. Yes, try.
Can I try tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, because I don't know because I can't revise yesterday.
It's fine. There is nothing.
Okay.
Horitro, can you explain what is char and varchar?
I think char is for character and varchar is identifying that
Sorry. Character is char for character, varchar for identifying what?
varchar is like for any kind of naming. But if in one table, if there is a integer for the numeric, and the varchar will be for the naming part. I mean the like employee ID would be for employee ID would be integer, and the employee name would be varchar.
What are you saying, man? Where is integer coming? Where is naming coming? Where are not studying. See, I have purposely not sent the notes. Okay. The reason for not sending the notes is I wanted to check that how much efforts you do from your end to make some short, small running notes, or maybe how much you are able to remember. The recordings access you have, how much you put your efforts. I want 2 hours every day, no matter what, no matter Diwali, Holi, whatever these festivals are there. You do not spend like 20 hours completely on celebrations. You need to invest 1 to 2 hours of studies even during celebrations and everything. I study on a daily basis. I never skipped any of my days. I was celebrating my Durga Puja at the same time I was doing whatever work I have, the responsibilities that I have. Char and varchar is used to. Excuse me, I'm suffering from bad cough and cold. It is used to store character or string data type. VAR stands for variable character. So variable character means it stores information from alphabets capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, numbers from 0 to 9, and also special characters. The difference between the two is that character data type, it stores string data with a fixed length. So it stores fixed length data. So if I pass something like cat, suppose say 20, so that means it will store a data with a fixed length of 20. So in this case, if I enter a data which is consuming less space than 20, then also the memory that is allocated to the database is still 20, and the memory won't be released. So it will consume a fixed length memory. It consumes a fixed length memory. Yeah, I'm not memorizing and telling anything. I'm just going with the flow. It's consuming a fixed length memory. In varchar, it does not store a fixed length memory. It only occupies the space that is getting used. So the remaining space, which is not used, gets released. And hence my memory is safe. Unused space gets released. Unused space or memory gets released. Understood?